Your guide to the perfect faucet drip rate.
Hello everyone, and welcome to your step-by-step guide on determining the appropriate faucet drip rate for your home. This is an essential task, especially in winter, to prevent your pipes from freezing. However, it's also crucial to consider water conservation when doing this. Today, we'll be exploring how you can find the balance between preventing frozen pipes and conserving water.
Why do I need to drip my faucet?
To start off, it's essential to understand why a dripping faucet might be necessary in the first place. During colder months, if the temperature drops below freezing, the water in your pipes can freeze. This can cause the pipes to expand and potentially burst, resulting in costly damage. A dripping faucet helps prevent freezing because the movement of water makes it harder to freeze.
What factors influence the drip rate?
The appropriate faucet drip rate can vary depending on a few factors. 1. Outside temperature. The colder it is outside, the faster you'll want your faucet to drip. As a rule of thumb, when temperatures fall below 20 degrees Fahrenheit, that's when you should start to consider dripping your faucets. 2. Type of plumbing. Homes with pipes that aren't well insulated, or pipes located on exterior walls, are more at risk. 3. Faucet location. Faucets located on the exterior walls or in unheated areas of your home, like a basement or attic, might need to drip more frequently.
So, how do I determine the perfect drip rate?
To determine the perfect faucet drip rate, you'll want to start with a slow drip, roughly 1 drip per second for both hot and cold water faucets. This is generally sufficient to keep the water moving and prevent freezing. However, if temperatures fall well below freezing, you may want to increase the drip rate just slightly. Remember, it doesn't need to be a steady stream. A slightly faster drip should do the trick. Remember that every house is different, and what works for one may not work for all. Keep an eye on your pipes during cold weather and adjust the drip rate as needed. That's all for today's guide on determining the appropriate faucet drip rate for your home. Remember, while it's essential to prevent your pipes from freezing, it's equally important to conserve water. Start with a slow drip and only increase it as necessary based on weather conditions. Stay warm and keep your pipes safe.